right, folks, working on a batch of folder blades. And if you saw the last video, I was working on these two mosaic serpent pattern Damascus folder blades. These are going to all be flippers. They'll be liner locks and frame locks. So I just surface ground 3 stainless blades, got them profiled and everything. Now I'm going to go ahead and drill the holes. You saw me marking them out using a template. I've also got the liners to drill, and we're going to get started on that right now. All right, with the blade starts and stops drilled, I'll mill that track out, and those are just guides for the end and beginning. They will be a little further than that, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and drill out the stop pin holes in the liners. I'll do all of them. Then I'm gonna come in here and drill all of the tap size, 256 tap size. These liners are glued together, so I have perfect alignment. I just use regular old super glue. So every now and then, the glue will release between these scales, you know, they come loose. When that happens, I'll just clean the insides up and re-glue them, let them set a minute. And what I do is, to make sure I got everything lined up, is I put pins in there. You can see this, but I put my pivot pin in there and it moves freely, my stop pin, and a pin back here for one of my backspacer holes. The main thing I want lined up is my pivot pin, my stop pin, and my backspacer holes. The others are just going to go through the scales into the liners. But backspacers, screws have to be perfect, because they'll go through one liner and thread into the other liner through the backspacer. And of course, your pivot and stop pin needs to be dead on. So once I do that, I just glue it up, clamp it, let it set a little while, take the clamps off, and go ahead and drill them. All right, so let's take a look at where we're at here. I went ahead and trimmed the other frame down close, but not all the way. Now I can go ahead and finish profiling these liners together. So you can see here why having these backspacer holes perfectly aligned is very critical, because then your stop pin and your pivot pin will be aligned. If not, none of that'll line up. Right now we've got free movement in our pivot and our stop pin, and we're perfectly aligned. That's what I like. I went ahead and checked them all, done all three of them, got our backspacers, done. A lot of stuff done right here. So now what I got to do is go ahead and profile these, clean them up. I can cut the lock bar, but I won't relieve it right now. And I didn't tap no other holes in here, because I want to do that once I drill the scales and the bolsters. That way I don't damage any threads, and I'll use those holes for that. So we'll also come in here and cut the stop pin track on the folders. A lot of work left to do, but we're going to do that on the next video. We're out of time. I want to thank you for watching. Thanks to my patrons, and we'll see you on the next one.